Alright, it's Maker Swap mail time. I got my swap from the Beard 16, Richard, in today. So let's take a look at it. Doesn't feel broken. Alright. Got two of Richard's stickers. Flip this around so you can see them the right way. Alright. There is a cool little lidded pot here. I can hear there's some goodies inside, so take a look at the pot first. Very nice pot. Oh, there's really cool beads in here. It's really cool. I think I can tell that is palm. This could be oak, maybe. The rest of these look like GPS agencies stuff. This one's, I really like this one. Bigger one here. These are super cool. Thank you, Richard. I will stick a link again to the Beard 16's page. Thanks for the couple stickers there, and thanks for being part of the Maker Swap 2020.